Hey folks, welcome back. It's been a hot while or two. It's a happy almost Independence Day. I took half the day off. I figured most of you aren't working anyway, and if you are, well, who cares? This is mostly just for fun. So I was just going through my competitor Typescraper programs, and I saw this WPM one, and I thought it was pretty cool, and I said, well, let's give it a shot. And so let's go to a terminal real quick. None of this stuff. And just do a pip install WPM user, and you say, oh, look at this. It's pretty good. Well, the controls are kind of bad, but they're here. But you're gonna notice they got a whole lot of quotes. Wait, just an action. Doesn't have read line. And the thing, it doesn't, can't even go back. It's got history at least. But the thing you're gonna notice here is that it's got a whole lot of quotes. Like, not just a few quotes, it's got like a gallon of quotes. Like, a real crap ton of quotes. And I was just like, well, let's just take a quick look. Let's get this off my computer real quick. Oh. What? And I noticed, I was looking through them like, where did they get all the quotes? And if you read through, they're like, well, shamelessly stolen from typeracerdata.com. And I'm like, well, you know what? I'm just going to take a quick peek. Let's take a look at typeracerdata.com. And what do you know? It's got a whole lot of quotes. Different difficulties, different stuff. It looks pretty good though. I kind of like it. And I figure, you know, if this guy can take them and he's had them for 2 years, why not? Let's just, what would it look like if I were to take these quotes and use them as my own? You know, I bet it would look pretty cool. This is just a clear proof of concept. And I'm just interested in looking at how this is going to work. So let's just jump through it real quick. So I'm going to make a program I'm calling Typescraper that's going to let us grab all these quotes. Let's see, are there 4,900 nowadays? Oh geez, there are a lot. 7,000, and they got literal code. Horrible. But it's sorted by difficulty, so that's pretty nice. But it also means that we're going to have way more quotes than this other guy here. So what I'm going to do is blast through this. I'm going to scrape this web page, and we're just going to get all these quotes because there's no download that I can think of, no download I can find. And we're just going to throw them in the typeracer format, see what it looks like. So let us do just that. So while I was looking for this, I don't care about that. I was looking for a beautiful soup replacement, and this guy looks pretty good. This looks a lot like the beautiful soup I know. We're just going to give it a shot to see if I can soup out all the stuff in there. And the guy recommends using request, but I don't want to use that. Request is huge, so we're going to use urec. So let's give this a shot. Let's zip over to the Rust folder, and we're going to do cargo new Typescraper. Okay, we're going to do cargo add soup and urec. Alright, build it on up. And just so our compiles are, you gonna notice, yeah, I got a new computer. It's pretty quick. Hopefully this is in beautiful 60 FPS that you can see now. If not, real shame. Alright. And, oh, I'm gonna want clap 2, aren't I? I don't know, why not? Alright, so how are we gonna start this? We're gonna start this off by, I just wanna grab the web page. Where is it? Here, right? Okay, we're just gonna grab the web page. And what is it? Use urec. get. It says the full expanded text. We're gonna have to skip these unknowns. These are no good. And we're gonna IDs. Where is the author? I feel like there's got to be an author here, because I have author for all these. Oh, difficulty rating. Oh, it's right here. That's nice. Wait, why does it change? It's not in order. Okay, the lower below 1 it is, the more difficult it is. So anyway, there's no author here though. Where do I get the author? Is there an author here? The abbreviated versions? No. I think we're just going to make the author typeracerdata.com. And I think that sounds like a pretty good idea, pretty good plan. Okay, anyway, let's go back to our main. Let us actually get this data right here. Oh, sort. Can I do sort difficulty rating? Oh, perfect. Perfect. That's exactly what I'm looking for. Okay. How does library work? I'm not going to do a JSON. What's the difference between call and do call? Void blocking forever. Yeah. They look the same. We're just going to do a call. And let rec. And then we're going to do... let's just see if it works. If rec.ok else. Let's just print out. Can I just print out the page? What is it? Rec.intoString. And you got to return a result. And you turn this and error. Yeah, there we go. What do you look like? Rest.status, rest.intoString. Status. Output. Let's just do that. Rec.status to string. Okay. Good. Yeah. We don't really care about this too much. We can use boxes. Typeracer has a grand total of 0 boxes, in case you're curious. Alright. Let's just do this. Cargo run. Give me something. Maybe I should have... Oh. There it is. Where is it? Last one. This socket thing. Okay. So we're gonna do this. Let's set up a little clap thingy. It's gonna take in the URL. Clap takes in the URL. We're gonna get the string, and then I'm just gonna see how this soup thing works, and we're gonna grab all the data from this shortly after. So let's just get to some clapping right here. Let's see how much I remember here. Use clap app. Yeah. And we're also gonna do fn get web page as string. Sure. If I were really doing this right, I'd save it as a file, but this is just for quick dev stuff. Alright. So, result, string, box, and URL, string. I could also validate that if I really wanted to. We're not going to do that though. Alright, let args equals app new dot arg URL dot. I'm totally messing that up. Yeah, I forget what the actual syntax is. I think it's that. Clap. So much faster this way. Arg with name. That's it. Arg with name URL. Oh, is that supposed to be all caps? Yeah. No, they didn't do it all caps. Dot. Make it a flag. Why not? U on URL. Dot value. Oh, that's new. I like that. URL to scrape. Let's do Typescraper data.com compatible URL to scrape. Maybe we could like rehost it sometime or something. I don't know. What are you mad about? New takes an argument? Oh. Typescraper. Let Typescraper. I don't know. Sure. Not you. Oh, you gotta be required. Yeah, there we go. Let URL equals. Is there a way to let's just check? Ensure valid URL. Rest. Oh, are you kidding me? This is a crate? Really? Really? No, we're not going to check. Okay. Let URL equals matches what did I get? Value of URL. Okay. Actually, it's just we only need it once. Okay. What are you mad about? Why do you betray me, clap? This is a required argument, so we could just take that as a You don't need a heap allocated string. Good. What are you mad about? Ah, you need a dime. And we're gonna return. Just do this. E F D this. Sure. I gotta do that, really? Some days I really wonder. This is the one we're gonna eventually use. I'm not gonna use that yet though, I just wanna play around with this and make sure it works. Alright. Good. Echo. Okay. Good. Okay, anyway. We're just gonna try and steal from my blog first. So, cargo run. Issue. Can I see this about HTTP? What? What? Filled it out. Is it lowercase? Man, that's terrible. Why would I do that? Nah. Okay, what the hell is this then? What good is that? It must be like deprecated or something. Alright. And let output equals this guy. And I thought this was required. I have required here. Oh no, it's because I was using the wrong arg up there. What? Does it not like this? Didn't I just do this? Oh, is there like a takes value? Yeah. Stupid. Wait, didn't it just work? I don't know. Okay, that's much better. Perfect, okay. We're just going to try and grab all the text in, I don't know, in this H2. And all the H2s inside this div. Let's try and grab that, why not? If that works, maybe we can move on to the big fish, which is that Typescraper data guy. Okay. So how does this work? I haven't used Beautiful Soup in a while. Just find all the stuff. It just finds the first. It's not a very complicated site, so Oh, here it is. Find all. So we're gonna find soup. Make the soup. Look for the tag. Wait, what? You just find everything? Match on everything. Okay, so this just matches on all the whatever the hell they're called. So if I just do H2, I'm just gonna get all the trues, I can't talk. We're gonna get all the H2s. Let's try it out. Give me H2. It's gonna take a string. Str and blog. And I'm just gonna print all this crap out. So what is this? How do we do this? Soup? Use soup prelude. Soup. Soup. Sure. What is this prelude? I bet it's a trait. Soup. Let's get another soup. No, we already have it. Soup. New. Log. Dot. What? Something's wrong here. Dot find. Dot tag. There's no tag. What? Oh, no. Here it is. Soup from reader. New. From. Actually, look at it. Soup from something that implements read. Can I just do from? Can I just do from a string? Is that really too much to ask for? Oh no, that is it. It's just soup new. Soup new. Blog. Let's soup. Sure. Okay. I got some soup. Soup dot. None of these look right. Am I looking at the right version here? I think this is old. Gotta trust exactly what's there. Where the hell is soup? Oh, there it is. Soup.tag. Well, it says it's not there. Oh, it's gotta be the prelude. Use soup. Prelude. Soup? Sure. Let's just do tag. I hate star imports, but if it'll make it go away, whatever. This is just a fun, quick thing. Just for educational purposes, we're writing this. Tag.find. You're looking for the h2.find, right? Find.expect. Oh no, could not find. Sad. What? Dash does something? What? Oh, it goes back and forth. That's cool. It's like CD dash. Really unexpected though. I wouldn't know. I wouldn't know it did that if I didn't have my screen reader thing on. Okay. This is a.display. That's what it uses. I'm guessing it implements some kind of iterable. Okay, so let's try and do this. For iter for item, right? Is that good? No method for iter. How the hell am I supposed to iterate over these things? Oh. Why would they call it enumerate? What? Oh. Still though. Soup tag, no expect. Ah, yeah. So I forget what? df dot. I don't know what the hell I was typing. Alright, println and item. Alright. Item dot text. I don't know. Oh, item dot display. I feel like that's wrong. ToString. What is this type anyway? Where did all these extra... No method found. Method not found in usize. Oh, it's a union. Why would they do that? Item dot. Like that. I'll just look at the code. Oh, you gotta do this? That's stupid. Alright, what do they do to get the output? href, that's the link. Oh, I see, I see. So you can loop over all these guys. And inside each one, you can loop inside. Oh, I see. It gets to all the A's, and then it gets the href. But it does this with this link thing. So that's that link is actually going to be item, and we're just going to do this. There we go. Wow, why can't you just work? Is it really too hard? Wait. Oh man, they need to enumerate. It's disappointing. Yeah, expected I to string. href is that. You know what? Let's just print it out. We're going to need to scrape along this thing in a moment. I just want to make sure I can get it. Let's do, what is that? Is that it? Ugh. Wait. Good. What the hell is it? Pretty print trust. Yeah, I want debug tuples. What is it? Why is this the hardest thing ever? Colon hash question. Very colon hash question. Very intuitive. What? What am I doing wrong here? It's an item. Do I not know how to code? Let's just okay. Let's just do this really stupid. Very simple. Let's do it in the simplest way. Soup.tag, what? Soup.tag h2. Find dot expect main. Okay. Print. What do we got? Doesn't implement it. P.display. Display. Good. Okay. What do we got? Oh, good. All right, all right, all right. We got the first one. How do I get them all, though? What if we want to retrieve more than one? We use find all. Oh, here we go. Perfect. It's an iteration method. Oh, no, it does return an iterator. What was I doing before? Oh, I think it was because I was using like expect or something. I don't know. Find all for item in. Oh, see, that works perfect. They use this map thing, don't they? Don't care. You know what? Let's just do this. Println. Let's just print it out. How is this any different than what I was doing before? And why doesn't it just implement display or debug or something? Make a lot more sense. Perfect. There it is. It's all the H2s. Doesn't get easier than that. Okay. And let's see. How long am I doing this for? 30 minutes? You know what? Let's try and see if we can get just a little bit more before we head on out. Okay. So we know it works with that. Let's try and get some data from. Well, let's keep that for reference. Maybe really helpful. I don't know. Let's try and get it. Oh, let's get it really fast. And what do I call it? This guy. There we go. Yeah, we want it fast. All text.html. It's going to be worth it though. The release is going to make it a lot faster, I promise. Absolutely. Yeah, any second now. How does this have more dependencies than Typescraper? Oh, it's actually got 4 less. Who am I kidding? Suppose HTML5 scraping is pricey. Alright, give me it. What? Oh no, that's it. alt text HTML. This is what we're working with, all right? Let's get rid of the white space. No more of that. Okay. And let's format it nice. Make it pretty. Oh god, I should have done this as a program. We're gonna be here for ages. 84,000 lines. Vim is absolutely struggling. So, anyone got a favorite color? I don't know, let's give it a minute. Let's look at soup. You, Rick? It's much smaller than request. Blocking. Who needs async? Can I check these off? No. Are you done yet? No. Yeah, one core is just absolutely clocking it. It's a single threaded operation. Let's see if I can figure out how to prettify it. With soup, it has to have like a prettify function. If I can find prettify faster than I can with this. Let's say output. FN pretty. Site. Still going? Still going. It's not even, see? It's also a single threaded UI. I can't even update the display. All right. Soup, new site, and soup dot format dot find all true dot, that's right. Soup dot tag, what was it called? There's a match, there's a way you can match everything here, and I could have sworn I saw a prettifier. Soup dot tag true. I wish traits got autocomplete. Dot find all dot for item and item dot. I could have sworn there was a pretty traits. Was I wrong? Format pretty cute. Am I crazy? Are you still going? Of course you are. I could have sworn. Am I crazy? Soup. Yeah, makes new soup. Oh, you're saying I didn't even need to do a call? I could just throw that in there? Sync, borrow, unwind. Okay, soup doesn't have it. Show me some more. Pattern, prelude. Prelude. Oh, shit. Yeah, that's what we want, I think. I don't know. Node extension. I could have sworn this had a pretty. Tag. I'm totally going crazy. Are you still going? Yeah. Hold on. Item dot Pretty. Sure. Oh, this is HTML5 ever. Let's go back for a minute. Let's look at that instead. This has a prettier, doesn't it? No? Pretty. Format. Doesn't do it. There's no formatting. I thought there was a prettifier. Huh. Make HTML pretty Rust. HTML5 ever. Format. Oh, let's use a servo. That's pretty cool. I had no idea. This? No. Just look here. No, I think this is the end of the line. Ah. Let's just see. Format HTML. Terminal. Tidy. Why? What are you doing here? I've never seen you before. See, it's fast. Give it to me. Right? I mean, I guess this is. I suppose Vim is supposed to be fast too, because also in C. But I don't think it was really meant to do this. Boy, is it slow. Okay. I'm gonna guess we can just do tidy all texts. Yeah? Oh, shoot. Formatted. Whatever. Why does that look worse? This is terrible. I wanted formatting. What is this? Why is there a whole doc? God, I just want... indent element column. Oh, I just want a little bit of indenting here. Is that really too much to ask for? Because this could have a little bit more. Indent. Okay. I don't know. Let's try it with dash I. Dash I. 2. Does this work? Oh, there we go. That's the shit. Wait a second. Vim, you struggling? That's so much easier to read. NeoVim, you're done. Out. Out. Okay. That's it. All right, let's look at what we got to do here. Can you, HTML5 linter, can you not? Disable. Wow, that is so slow. How big is this? 164,000 lines. Jeez. Okay. Oh no, we can't have that. That's okay. We're gonna use the actual stuff. It's not. There are no line breaks in the actual thing we pull down. So everything, let's look at the top level guy here. It's in a single div. Can I go up? No. Where's my accompanying div? Body, below, table, stats. All right. I just got a notification. Look into the table. Oh, I should be taking some notes. Okay. Look for find. Let's do some pseudocode here. Find table. Actually, I suppose it is nested find here. Find the table. Find tr2 1 tr1. Where is the closing tr? There it is. So the second tr. Find td 0 1 2 3. Oh. This is trash. Horrible. It's supposed to be piano. I don't want any rock music. Okay. Find TD. Find A. 0 is the first A that we find. Now, I don't know if it works like that. I think that's wrong. We don't care about the link though. So 0 1 2 2 dot find 2 4. Right. 4 TD and that's already an iter. Really tempted to write Python. This feels a lot like Python. TD. Oh, but actually we just care about the link here, don't we? No, we also care about the difficulty too. So how are we gonna do this? Because there are a bunch of rows, bunch of table datas here. We always care about the same ones though. We care about the one with an A. We care about the one with class sort. I think it's just faster if we just do it. Well, it's probably not faster, but I think it's easier if we just do it twice. No, it's not. So all we care about is this guy. Find TD, right? I think a map is probably the best way to do this. Oh. Map. Let map equals new map. This is just pseudocode at this point. I should have just done Python. Man, that actually looks a lot better. Okay. We're gonna pretend that's how you make a map. Oh no, no, that's not good. There's only one link though. If there's a way to get the last element put in a map, I could also use a vector. Let vec. Alright, we got a struct. We're gonna use, where the hell is my cursor? Let vec equals vec. Alright. And struct. It's not gonna be too happy when we move this in Python, but whatever. Data. Oh, we need to have mutable data in this. We're going to do texts. No. String, your heap allocated. Difficulty. Use 64. Could be 32, I guess. It doesn't matter. Okay. So this is just going to find all the TDs, all right? And we're going to do if TD. I like this. Works pretty well with brackets. Brackets Python isn't too bad. Someone crucified me for that. I dare you. If TD. Oh, we don't need these. If TD. I don't think there's a thing in Python either. Hold on. It's been so long. You need brackets? No, you don't need them. It's like Rust. No parens. Nice. So this is going to be if TD, the order is guaranteed, it has to be the table. Oh, no. Here's the thing, we got to ignore unknowns. Oh, wait, no, each one of these isn't a TR. Oh, perfect. Okay, perfect. Right? So we're gonna go through all the TRs. Skip 1, 0. What is skip? Iter, skip, rust. Skips over n elements. Oh, yeah, skip the first one. Okay. And then, all right, here's what we're gonna do. We got each TR. We skip the first one. Okay. Then 4. And we're gonna do TD. This is TR. And find TD. And then I think that's right. And here we go. We always just know, we just want the second number 0, 1, 2, 3, so 2, and 3, 4, 5. 2 and 5, is that right? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yeah. And collect. Back. Oh, it doesn't like that. It's not valid Python. I could have just done this. Whatever. Vec, I don't know what type it is. Node. Right. And let node lists. Man, it's really quite like Python. I like this language best though. No parens. Okay, and then for this guy, it's just gonna be let. Oh, we can keep a map too if we want. I don't think we want a map though. And vec push node lists add 2. I think you can do that. You're gonna need to get the actual data out. Oh, I need to do find a.expect. Oof. Nah, I'll just wait. We don't need the rustisms yet. And node list 5. I think that's it. Yeah, okay, that's it. That's going to be all the passages right there. And then we just got to print them out all to a file. Alright, I think it's a pretty solid stopping point for now. I'll be back another time, maybe even later today. See you all then.